Demystifying diazepam. Uses, dosage and potential side effects. Are you struggling with anxiety, muscle spasms, seizures or insomnia? Are you looking for a safe and effective treatment option? Look no further, because in this video we're going to be talking all about the powerful benefits of diazepam. From its role in reducing anxiety and muscle spasms, to its potential benefits for preventing seizures and improving sleep, we've got all the information you need to know. Plus, we'll be discussing the recommended dosage, potential side effects, and how to use diazepam safely and effectively. So, get ready to say goodbye to anxiety, muscle spasms, seizures and insomnia, because this video is all about unlocking the power of diazepam. Diazepam, also known as Valium, is a medication that belongs to a class of drugs called benzodiazepines. It works by slowing down the activity of certain chemicals in the brain, which can help to reduce anxiety, muscle spasms, and seizures. One of the main uses of diazepam is for the treatment of anxiety disorders. It can help to reduce feelings of nervousness, agitation, and fear by calming the brain. Diazepam is also used to treat muscle spasms, such as those caused by certain medical conditions or injuries. It can also help to prevent and control seizures. Diazepam is also used to treat insomnia or difficulty sleeping. It can help people to fall asleep faster and to stay asleep longer. It's also used as a sedative before certain medical procedures, such as endoscopies and other diagnostic procedures. It's important to note that diazepam should only be used under the supervision of a healthcare professional, as it can be habit-forming and should not be used for long periods of time. The recommended dosage of diazepam varies depending on the individual and the condition being treated, and it can vary from 2 mg to 10 mg, taken 2 to 4 times a day. Like all medications, diazepam can cause side effects, some of which can be serious. Common side effects include drowsiness, dizziness, fatigue, and confusion. Less common side effects include decreased libido, diarrhea, and constipation. It's also important to note that diazepam can interact with other medications, such as opioids, and other central nervous system depressants. So, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using it, especially if you are taking any other medications. In conclusion, diazepam, also known as Valium, is a medication that belongs to a class of drugs called benzodiazepines. It's used to treat a variety of conditions, such as anxiety disorders, muscle spasms, seizures and insomnia. It's important to use it under the supervision of a healthcare professional, as it can be habit-forming and should not be used for long periods of time. It can also cause side effects, some of which can be serious, and it can interact with other medications, so it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using it.